Hey everyone, welcome to the Flaunt Talk English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Johan. We are so excited to bring you a way to speak English that actually sounds, well, human.
Exactly. Johan, you've lived in the US for a bit now. What's the biggest struggle you face when talking to Americans?
Honestly, Sarah, I feel like I sound like a robot. I say, I am very tired, or it is very cold, and people just look at me like I'm reading from a 1990s textbook.
That's exactly what we're fixing today. We're moving from basic to smart English. So, Johan, let's start with very. In the US, we hate overusing very. If you're very happy, what do you say?
I usually say, I am very happy with my new job.
Try this. I'm thrilled with my new job. Or if you want to sound really native, say I'm over the moon.
Over the moon? Like an astronaut?
Exactly. It means you're so happy you've left the Earth. Imagine telling your boss, I'm thrilled to start this project. It sounds professional and confident. That's how you flaunt it.
Okay, what about work? Everyone is always very busy in America.
True, but if you say, I'm very busy, it sounds like you're complaining. Instead, try, I'm swamped.
Swamped. I like that. It sounds like I have a mountain of work.
Right, or you can say, my hands are full. It's a polite way to say you can't take on more tasks. In a US office, using these idioms makes you sound like part of the team, not just an outsider.
Sarah, I noticed that Americans don't always say yes or no immediately. They say something else.
You mean when we need time to think? Yeah, instead of saying, I will think about it, we say, I'll sleep on it.
I love that. It's like telling someone, I value this decision enough to take it home with me.
Exactly. And if you agree with someone, don't just say, I agree. Say, you took the words right out of my mouth.
That's a long one, but it sounds so cool.
All right, guys, that's your first dose of smart English. Don't just listen, start using these today.
Yes, next time your friend asks to hang out and you're busy, tell them you're swamped and see their reaction.
Before we go, here's a challenge. Write a sentence in the comments using over the moon. What made you happy this week? Tell us.
Don't forget to subscribe to Flaunt Talk English on YouTube and Spotify. Keep talking, keep flaunting.
Catch you in the next episode. Bye.